In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a child on Ryanair. If you're booking a flight and need to include a child in your reservation, the process is quite simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the passenger selection part of the booking process so you can make sure the child traveler is added correctly before you continue. To begin, go to the official Ryanair website. Once the homepage loads, you'll usually see the flight booking area right on the main screen. This is where you can enter your departure and destination details, travel dates, and the number of passengers traveling. From there, look for the passenger section. This is the part of the booking form that shows how many people are currently included in the trip. In many cases, it may default to one adult, so it's important to open this section if you need to add anyone else, including a child. Click on the passenger field to open the passenger selection dropdown. This dropdown lets you adjust the number of travelers by category. It's designed to help you choose the correct mix of passengers, such as adults, teens, children, or infants, depending on who is traveling with you. Taking a moment here to choose the right category matters, because airlines often apply different fare rules and seating requirements based on the age of each passenger. Once the dropdown is open, find the children option. Next to it, you should see a plus button. Click the plus button to increase the number of children traveling on the booking. Each click will add one child, so if you're traveling with more than one, continue clicking until the correct number appears. As you do this, check that the passenger count updates properly in the booking form. This helps confirm that the child has been added successfully. It's a good idea to review the selection before moving on, especially if you're booking for a family group, so the reservation reflects the correct number of passengers. After that, you can continue with the rest of your booking as normal. Just make sure all traveler detail match the correct age category later in the process, since that can affect the final booking and any travel requirements. And that's all it takes to add a child on Ryanair. Once you know where the passenger dropdown is and how to use the plus button beside children, the process is quick and straightforward.